All right, so I ran into a little bit of a problem, and we're talking about the edge right here. The unboxing video, which you're about to watch right now, make sure you watch it because it's a good unboxing video regardless. But in the video, I probably did this unboxing probably a month and a half ago, and I was using it, and I was actually about to do a review, so that's why I wanted to drop this. But 2 days ago, I was shaping myself up with it, and it just, there was a piece that broke on it, and now I'm kind of torn because I don't want to give it a bad review. I actually contacted the seller, and I should be getting another one in. And that's the good news as far as that. As far as the review, it's going to have to be postponed, and who knows how long that's going to take because it's coming from China. I contacted at AliExpress. That's where I got the machine. So again, you can watch the full unboxing. At least you'll know what comes in it. You'll hear some of my opinions. This was filmed about a month and a half ago, you know, somewhere in April. And I just didn't, I just been busy, guys. I'm sorry, and that's why I hadn't put the unboxing video out. And if you take a look, I have more stuff that I have to go through. And if you've seen one of my last videos, you saw I talked about that. But anyways, yeah, the machine broke on me. It's a piece that kind of concerns me, so I don't know exactly what to think about it. But for right now, it is what it is. I'm just going to release this video. I'm giving you the heads up on what's going on because I know people are going to ask me a lot of questions about how it is. Let's just say this. While I was using it, it was pretty good. It was a pretty solid machine. That's as far as information I can give you, especially since the machine broke. I'm hoping that this was just one of these like fluke accidents that, and when I mean by accident, I mean just like, it was just maybe one of the 15 that they have that might have that issue. It was the piece that holds the little spring, which then controls the vibration of the machine. Once that piece broke, the springs came loose, and now the blade can't even move. It sucks, but it is what it is. Again, I just want to give you guys a heads up. Enjoy the unboxing, and follow me on Instagram. You know, I give you guys information about when these things happen. So I'll see you guys there, and enjoy the unboxing. Hey guys, what's going on? Got another unboxing video for you, and these are the JAME JM-0806. I got these from AliExpress. I'm hoping that, you know, somebody in the States on Amazon will carry them because I think these might be pretty good. That's just my opinion at this very moment. Guys, again, only an unboxing. We're gonna see what's inside the box and go from there. So let's just get right into it. So for those who are wondering, these do look a lot like the Gammas. But first impression, we have a USB charger. Here you go, the USB charger, and that is the port it uses. Nice. Put that aside. You have some guards, and honestly, I'm never gonna use them, but there are people who maybe they want to use it for their beard or whatnot, so I'll give them that. This is 2mm, a 3mm, and a 1mm. So that's what you get right there. You get a cleaning brush. You get some oil. First impressions, it makes me feel like these are, if you ever seen like the peanut edgers, it feels like this is just a bigger version of that machine. But the weight feels pretty good. Let me get my knife. Let's cut this thing open. There we go. And that's pretty funny because it already comes with this little grip right there. It should come with, actually it's in the box. That's weird. It doesn't have, and what I'm talking about, guys, is that if you see on the box, it has the plate to it. So if you see on the box, it has a plate to it right here. And on these, I did want them to be skeleton, but I thought it was just a piece that you might just take off, but I'm not sure. It's kind of weird because obviously on the box you see it doesn't come skeleton, and here they are skeleton. But when I did order them because they were skeleton, but I don't know. Again, let's move this aside. And it has these little bands on it right here. Let's take this off. Let's turn it on, see if there's power. Okay. Seems like it's got some pretty good power. Here's the sound test. There is a light there showing that it's red, so it means it's, I don't know if it's gonna die or anything, but let's do a quick test on my arm here. Well, actually, let's see where it is, if it's zero gapped or not. It's not zero gap, but it's definitely pretty close, so it'll be interesting. Zero cut trimmer. It'll be interesting to see if it actually gives me. It is cutting. Doesn't feel like sharp, like it's gonna. Interesting to see how this works. Right now, my impressions of it is that it definitely feels like it's a good, powerful machine compared to my 1949s, the Kemei 1949s. This feels a little bit more power. I like the actual overall ergonomics of it, and the key is to find out how well this works as far as like if this blade's any good, and if it isn't any good, what is it gonna take to mod it to try to put a blade that does work. I don't know if the Andes Wahl would be good for this blade, like the Wahl detailers, or maybe like an Andy. I said Andy Wahl detailers. The Wahl detailer blade would be good on this, or if the actual maybe like an Andy TY blade might fit on this. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna find out though. But you're gonna have to stick around for the full review. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you like, share, subscribe so you can see the full review when I finally get to it. Again, this is the JAME JM-0806 trimmer, edger, whatever you want to call it. This guy right here. I'm excited to try this out. And if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe. Guys, follow me on Instagram because this is where I give you a lot of the behind the scenes. Some of you guys are following me there, and you have seen when I get these products in, I like to show you guys that I got them in and give you the opportunity to know what kind of videos are coming up next. So follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Actually, it's somewhere around here. Just take a look and you see it. And I'll see you around. All right, peace.